Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail account recovery problems. Whether you've forgotten your password, lost access to your recovery methods, can't complete the recovery process, or are having trouble regaining access to your account, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, carefully review the recovery option you're using. Proton Mail may offer account recovery through a recovery email address, recovery phrase, recovery file, backup codes, or other security methods depending on how your account was configured. Next, make sure you're entering your Proton Mail email address correctly when starting the recovery process. Even a small typo can prevent the system from locating the correct account. If you're using a recovery email address, check that inbox thoroughly. Look in your inbox, spam, junk, promotions, and trash folders for any recovery messages from Proton Mail. If you haven't received the recovery email, wait a few minutes and request a new recovery message. Temporary delivery delays can occasionally occur. For users relying on a recovery phrase or recovery file, verify that you're using the correct information. Recovery credentials are highly sensitive, and even a small mistake can prevent successful account recovery. And that's how to fix Proton Mail account recovery problems. By reviewing your recovery methods, verifying account information, and following Proton Mail's recovery procedures carefully, you can resolve most recovery issues and restore access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.